My name is Claude Lee Massey. I'm back at you again. Splish! Much love, much passion and panache. And yeah, let's get into it, guys. I wanted to spend a little bit of time with you speaking about the idea of, properly engaging with somebody when you're actually communicating with them. I'm walking through the call center a lot of the time and I'm hearing guys talking directly at somebody. It's not beautiful. It's not pretty. It's not informative at all. If you think you're providing information, you're just not at all providing information. And if you actually are, well, no one's receptive to it, right? Have you ever been talking with a client on the phone maybe, and when you're speaking with them and you hit them with a long ass ramble of nonsense, okay? He's like, and you're hoping, you're keeping your fingers crossed so much more than that would you like to hear from the client, and all you got was a That's because he didn't feel you, he wasn't receptive to you, and you were probably not connecting on a personal level at all with the client. And that's ultimately what you're trying to do every single second of your call, right? So what I would recommend for you to do when you're on the phone with a client and you're going through your entire sales process at any given part, it doesn't matter whether you're in the introduction or you're building some chemistry and rapport with the client, it does not matter. What you're trying to make sure that you never do is say more than 4 sentences in a row. You never want to say really more than 4 or 5 sentences in a row. I've examined it deeply. That is the splitting point on when you're talking with somebody versus talking at them, okay? Never more than 4 to 5 sentences. Other than that, there's a lot of different tips that are going to be coming at you, but I just wanted to talk specifically about talking with versus at your clients. And trust me, you want to be talking with them. Never say more than 4 to 5 sentences in a row before giving, or rather hitting the ball across the tennis net again, back for him to communicate some ideas back to you, how he's feeling, what he thinks about the product, whatever part of the call, whatever you want him to say, really guide him along through a great question at the end of the 4th sentence. Okay, so get into it, do what you do. But at the end of the 4th sentence, you want to ask a question. You want to really hit the ball across to him and make it a connected question to what direction you want your call to go in, okay? Hey, I want everybody to have a great day, a great afternoon, a great sale, and stay tuned. If you have not done so, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. This is Claude Lee Massey. Much love. Splash!